Hey guys, and welcome to Ivy's Coupon Camp. Today we are going in Dollar Tree. As usual, we have a $5 budget. We're going in here to get freebies cheapy and start stacking up on our stockpile. So let's go. Okay guys, I'm in Dollar Tree, and as usual, I gotta stock and see what they got. Look at that, that is so cute. There's so much stuff I could do with that. I think I better grab a couple of them. It is so much I could do with that. Okay, and then I want I believe sign. Oh, I do want peace on earth though. Let's see. Okay, I want a snowman, and I do want these deers, but I haven't figured out what I want to do with them yet. So I'm gonna hold off from the deers, but they might end up leaving so quickly that I'll be looking crazy in the end. But I'm gonna grab these three for now. Okay, so as we should, let's go and start. Oh, look at that. They got so much cute stuff. Okay, so wait, let me give you an overview first. Known for the holiday. Okay. Chance to stop here. Let it snow. Oh, that's pretty. Let it snow. Merry Christmas. The wreath. I think I'm going to get a let it snow, because I can do a nice little wreath on that one. And see these? I think I'm going to get those, but not today. Okay. And then you have all the ornaments you need, which I grabbed a lot of ornaments the last time I was in the store. So, let me see. Oh, they do shake. They got a little bit going on with them. Okay. So let's go and start our coupon. Okay, I am going to grab 2 bags of these General Mills, because as we know, get one of these. As we know, we have $1 off coupon, making these free. Okay. Now let's go over here. We don't have any. I came in here for bread, and they don't have any bread, so we can move around on that one. Okay, and here is the Fiji water. They are the 300. Oh, they done went down. I had the 500s. Those they done went down. They went and put out the really small ones, so we won't be getting that. Because I know it's a guy out here right now. He ain't gonna let me get them. Those are really small. The other one's a little bigger than that. So we'll see. I don't think I'm gonna grab those though, because I don't want to ruffle up no feathers up in here. Let's see. Okay. So you got those gingers. These. Okay, we're going to get 2 hauls. Of course, we have the $1 off hauls coupon, making these free. And guys, if you want to, you could have grabbed one of these toothpastes, but as usual, we do not pay for toothpaste, guys. You have been couponing with me long enough, and you know we do not pay for toothpaste. Okay, and so we're going to grab some jergens right here. Let's see how many out. So this coupon we're going to use right here. It says jergens, registered trademark right there, and then 3.4 ounce or larger. It'll just adjust down to $1. Won't give you any overage. Okay, you all see this Dermasil body wash? Well, my son was little. He was allergic to a lot of stuff, and this is the only thing he could use. I'm grabbing this right now, and I only see one. That's the bad thing about it. I only see one of these. And I want to try the Dermasil hand wash, extra moisturizer. This is for people with their skin, that have problem with their skin. This is it. So I'm gonna try this, but I don't see any more of this body wash. Okay, and I also was looking for the shampoo for the men, because that coupon give it to us free. It's not in here either, so they took that out already, or they already emptied, but it looked like they just took it up out of here. That's what it looked like. You see this, guys? It's plant-based bar soap. This is new, and it's like a big box of it, but it's supposed to be plant-based, coconut and wild berries for all skin type. This is new in here, and it's supposed to be good. So I'm not going to try, but it's here if you're looking for plant-based stuff. And look at the Christmas cups. Dear Santa, just bring wine. That is so pretty. I think I'm gonna grab 2 of these because I got a couple. Or let me see. Treat your elf. I think I'll do 2 of these cups right here, and we'll find something to do with them, DIY wise. Okay. And then it was supposed to be another little car, a little car that I was looking for. That's Jingle Juice, Christmas cheer. No, see, no. Deep breath, big sips. I like that. My mind just went somewhere else. So I think, ooh, sleigh. Let me grab 2 of those. Okay, I was looking for the Amazon one. It had some with Amazon on packages coming or something like that. It's not here, but that's okay. We grab those right there. And here are the pistachios. They are 1.2 ounces. I'm gonna grab 2 bags of these. And when I get home, guys, I will show you the coupons, but I try not to bring them out in here anymore because a lady just was following me behind at the store the last time I was in here saying, I don't think you could use that coupon on that. Girl, gone. I don't need you to be the police up in here. Miss Dollar General, Miss Dollar Tree. That's all I want to call her. So that's why you don't see me pulling coupons out here. I will put the coupons out and let you see the coupons. I already used these coupons, so I do know that they work. Okay. Oh, guys, I better get 2 more bags of pistachios because my kids was last time they was fighting. Okay. And I'm going to do this order separate from the other order. Okay, it's about time for them to bring the... Oh, here's Quaker Cracker. Let me see, can I use those coupons? So, this coupon and this works together. You all see it? Simply Granola. And see that? Or Simply Granola. So they make those 50 cents. Yay! We are getting it today. We're going to get a couple of things up in here today. Let's go do it. Okay, so let me go this way because I want to go back to the Christmas stuff because I just found some little tree skirts, which I was going to make them, but I mean, I want to do my DIYs, guys, but I can't torture myself. Okay, so the other piece I was looking for, I cannot find. Now, they got some stuff over here, too. Like these stakes, I like that. I think my Christmas thing, that's what it is. Let it snow. I've been looking for a Christmas thing, guys. Let it snow is a good thing. Hey, guys, and we are back from, Dollar Tree. And I just want to let you know, as you can see, we did get all the things that we picked up in the store. We bought all of our Christmas stuff. This right here is the deal of the week. It's the Sunbeam Surge Protector. I saw a guy grab 6 of those, asked him how they worked. He said they work good. He just did not plug up really heavy things with them, so I grabbed me one of them. This is the coupon that beat. It was the Quaker, say 50 cents. See the Quaker registered trademark after that? That means you get it on any Quaker and does not specify a size. So these are simply granolas. The cashier had to beep them in. Had to key them in per the manager, and they were 50 cents a piece. This coupon right here is a word of caution coupon. It is the $1 off coupon, but the pistachios that make those free, no beeps. This coupon right here, it has not been beeping for us for the last month. You guys should be stacking up on free cereal at this point. If you don't use them at Dollar Tree, you could also use them at Dollar General, and you can also use them at Walmart on the cups for free. I'm sorry guys, we have another word of caution right here. Coupon makes these free. Make sure they are the 14 counts. They also work at Dollar General also. These right here, of course, those are the free cereal. So then we're looking at the Jergens. The Jergens this is going to adjust down to $1. You will not get overage. Jergens registered trademark product, including wet skin and body wash. So that moisturizer hand wash, this worked perfect. This size is 7.5 ounce. This start at 3.4 ounces, guys. So we got 12 things over here for free. At this point, you should be billing a free stockpile. You heard exactly what I said. Free stockpile, guys. So subscribe to my channel so that you can see how to build a free stockpile. And God forbid something happen, you don't have to go search for any of these things. Like, this is the best product probably in my whole pile today, and that's that Dermaseal. that is for people with dry skin and eczema, and it works fantastic. Now I'm going to look for some more tomorrow, but the cashier has 7 of them behind the counter. I guess she missed that one by mistake. So guys, stay tuned for my DIY video. It's another Halloween video this evening, and Thursday tune in for my baby edition video. If you know anyone having a baby, I make sure I get all kind of free and cheap things from different stores. We have a feature store every Thursday. Be looking out for that video to hit. Thank you guys. Subscribe, and share, and hit that button so that you'll know when I upload another video. Bye.